Alright, so last night I dropped off my car at Neperformance to get a little more sauce, and today we're going to be taking down Yami's Legacy, so we're getting that prepped up, and then later on in the video we're going to be meeting up with Frank, and we're going to take his Bugeye as well, and we're going to get that some more sauce, and then maybe do some BRZ stuff, but I'm not sure yet. Alright, so Frank couldn't get their car registered because he forgot his title at home, but we actually have my boy KB here. He's going to be riding down to Neil's with us. Check his car out and then see what we're doing with the Legacy.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Nice to be in orbit.
Oh shit, this whole underbelly. I told you. What's the fuck? The whole undertray.
Oh shit.
That's easy.
Yeah, it's super easy.
Like, why did that just happen?
Well, I'm glad I put it before it.
Well, it didn't start making noise until we stopped right there. It got off the exit.
You took it off? Alright. Will that fit, or you need me to put that in my trunk? I can put it in the backseat.
That's crazy. Why the fuck did that fly door? Alright, so right now we're on the highway. I got the Bugeye behind me, and we're going over to Neil's once again just to drop him off. Get that car tuned up and ready to go, and then we'll check back in once we pick everything up.
Oh, look at this bad boy. How do you feel about your first ride in the school bus?
I didn't even think that the windows worked in this car. How the hell did we lose these?
Are you ready?
Yeah, bro.
Whoa! He has no gas. Pathetic. Woohoo! This thing sounds horrible. Yeah, it will stop.
Oh, it sounds fire. Give it a little rest.
Yo, do you see this?
Like, shut this one.
This car is clapped. Oh, that one closes fine. Look at this one. This shit ain't got no door handle. Look, come look at this shit. The handle is like literally missing. You have to like finger fuck down here and lift.
But it falls down when you do get it to lift.
Look, you see how the door goes? Yeah, this shit is And it's 2 colors. This shit is painted awfully, by the way. That shit sucks.
Yeah, this thing's clapped out. With the drawers.
Oh, slam protection with drawers.
Can't slam my door. Can't do it. All right, Frank, what are we getting into today?
Today is a very, very wonderful day.
Okay.
Usually I fall asleep at like 10 o'clock. Last night I was up to like 2 a.m. because I was so excited for today. Today is the day we go pick up my Supra because it is finally done. Thank you to Neil, Carlos, Ivan, everyone who helped. Today is the day.
Wow.
Let's go get her.
How much did you sleep last night?
How much I sleep last night? Barely anything. I fell asleep at like 2 a.m. and I kept waking up between like 6 and like 8. I am way too excited. So let's go get her, baby.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lovex.
Nice to see it all.
There she is. How you feeling, buddy?
I'm very excited. Super, super excited.
Maybe, I don't know.
Did you guys buy it with no downpipe?
It had the back
Half
end.
the downpipe. Yeah. Let me fire it up, let it idle for a minute, and then I'll. Oh, you know what? That rattling's annoying. So I tried my best to fix the rattling. That shit's just nailing the fucking. You guys are not kidding. That thing's nailing the tranny. When you do a 5-speed, it won't rattle.
Yeah, no, because it's a
Yeah,
lot thinner.
skinnier. Yeah.
So for this, what we ended up doing was we did a parent turbo inlet, the parent throttle body coupler. I happen to have all parent stuff, so I threw it all on. The blow-off valve recirculating hose was fucked, so I changed that out with a parent one. What else did you guys put? I put a belt on your air conditioning. The starter was bad, so when you started it, did that overhang bullshit, so I swapped out the starter.
Thank you.
I wasn't charging you for the starter because I had one, and then I put new vacuum lines and everything, and then I tuned it to 15.5 pounds. So 15.5 pounds. The car still has room to go to like 17, but I left it at 15.5. It's gonna run good. It's gonna get you like 20-25 miles per gallon. You're gonna enjoy it. I did an evap system delete. What else did I do? I rearranged your PCB system around. I did a little bit of work to the car, but it runs really good now. Runs really nice. I do have to put your plate from the front to the back. Yeah. So I'll give you one second.
Let's hear it, buddy.
Wait, I can't remember the lyrics.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I know you see me on the notification.
But my girlfriend needs me to go pick up her brother in Kingston, so I'm just trying to slam it and go. But my oil pan only had 5 inches.
Even I can do that. This guy.
So I only dropped it.
I'm joking, Neil. I'm joking, Neil. You're a great guy. You're amazing at what you do. Or you know what the hell you're doing, because I don't. Okay, so Ariel just asked what's next. Next, I get an intake because I need one really bad. I still have the stock one, and I have the strut bar that still needs to get on. That's at home, so it's gonna be nice with the pink that I'm gonna go with the Bugeye. So yeah, just don't put a thumbs up in my face.
You mind your own business, buddy. Talk about your own automatic Subaru.
It'll be manual one day. This is your first manual car. Relax. I've only
How
ever.
was the clunker, Ariel?
The what?
Taking the clunker out, it almost dropped to the floor.
Oh, your car? Oh, you took your car. That's cool.
No.
The Land Truck is no clunker. It's a beauty. It is a beauty.
Okay, buddy. Are you ready?
First driving it. Yeah, let me put this in drive. I don't know how old I don't know how. I don't know if I'm gonna get sick of that. I hope not.
What is this, a rocking chair?
No, well, yeah, the front. There's no bolts on both sides. Josh loves it.
Whoa.
Whoa! It actually accelerates now. Every time I tried to accelerate before it got tuned, it was like it would not go. So thank you, Neil. You hear that turbo, buddy? Jelly at me? And once I get the manual swap, it'll stop. So it's fine.
How do you feel?
I know you see me on the notifications. I feel amazing.
So what else do you need for the manual swap?
I need drive shaft, pedals, and interior pieces, axles, and...
How long do you think that's gonna take to swap it?
Well, to swap it, it won't take very long, but the only problem is...
to buy all the stuff and like, swap it.
Well, yeah, that won't take very long. The only problem is I'll be carless if I do it, so... I'm honestly just gonna wait until the Mustang is done, and then...
What about the Nissan?
The Sentra?
Yeah.
Well, Dad's gonna take that off. He doesn't want to just pay for it, because once he gets his truck, he's gonna take it off the insurance.
Oh.
Ha! Look at this guy trying to ruin all my fun.
Whoa! It actually pushed me back in my seat. In a rocking chair, of course.
Yeah, the bolts are right there, so I'm probably putting them in.
Look at that.
Josh loves it.
It's like a rocking chair.
Josh loves it because he can lean back and stuff.
Custom rocking chairs in your new
Yep.
Subaru?
Yep, custom rocking chairs, of course.
Well,
It is nice. I'm gonna love it. I'm not supposed to be here. Were you about to record how big my butt is?
on this episode of Frank Can't Fucking Park.
Never. You can literally never get to it.
You got something to say, buddy?
Yo, we got a crowd. We got some fans.
Let's see this. It's quick.
Okay.
It's not fast. It doesn't jerk you, but it's quick.
I mean, I'm getting jerked from the seat.
Oh
but
yeah, that seat's broken, but like, it's alright. It's not bad.